Yes, hi, good morning, guys. Today I'm making a video about this website named Udemy.com. But my name is Jamal Carter, and today's date is June 19, 2021, and I'm doing a review about Udemy.com. I'm an affiliate marketer. I teach people like how to make money online. What telling people about affiliate marketing is like. I thought teaching people about like self-development and like how to make money online and stuff like that. I have been studying digital marketing for like over 4 years now. I have not, to tell you the truth, I have not really reached the success that I have really wanted, but I'm still trying, still trying. I had some setbacks, right? So, um, but eventually I would make it big. I would make it out. I would make money online. Cause I gain a lot of knowledge throughout the years, and my goal is to like get into business for myself and teach others how to get into business for themselves too. So on this video here, I'm going to show you this website here, Udemy.com. It's basically what's that? Udemy. Yeah, is it this one here? So on right here at the top, www.udemy.com. This is basically a website that teaches you about like personal development. They have different categories. You can register here for free. Let's come on udemy.com. You can like click here and click sign up. Click sign up. You put in your full name, email address, and password. Just sign up there for free and just browse through. You know what Udemy is about. I'll show you the categories. The categories right here. They have development, business, finance, and accounting. Whatever you want to learn about on these courses here, you can learn here. This is for people. This is for people worldwide too as well. Anybody, anywhere in the world can come in here and learn. So the categories include development, business, financing, and accounting, IT and software, office productivity, personal development, design, marketing. This is basically my niche right here, because I'm actually an affiliate marketer. And an affiliate marketer is basically someone that promotes other people's products for commission. And they have lifestyle, photography, video, health and fitness, music, teaching academics, and they have engineering. These are like courses that you can learn that they teach you on here. I guess some of the courses or most of these courses cost a little bit of money. Humanities, math, science, online education, social science, language, teacher training, test preps, other teaching and academics, teaching online, popular topics, proofreading, research methods, technical analysis, academic writing, and vivo, early childhood education, punctuation, and design of experiments. And the personal development include like personal transformation, personal productivity, leadership, career development, parenting and relationships, happiness, esoteric practices, whatever that means. I'm not too sure what that means. So these courses here you could get. It said become a super learner, learn speed reading and boost. This bestseller, $13.99 for that. Got life coaching certificate courses, beginner to advanced, and NLP practitioner, mindfulness, got crash course and all these topics here. You can just come on udemy.com and go to this website here for yourself and choose which one that you like. So let me see. let's say if we go put up on categories, and I want to go into like, let me see marketing. Oh, I could like, yeah, let me see. Yeah, so marketing. So right now I am studying this one right here. So I click on marketing, and I'm studying. I have been studying digital marketing. So I click on digital marketing. So this is basically my niche. This is the niche that I'm basically actually interested in the most. Because I have been studying this one, digital marketing, for like over 5 years. As I said before, you can learn from so many people in this industry. But digital marketing is being learned and being taught by thousands of people worldwide. You can even check it out on YouTube and see what other people are talking about digital marketing. You can even learn about digital marketing on YouTube. And they have lots of different products on digital marketing. Whether you want to go on the online money making niche, digital marketing, learning how to like make money online. Thousands of people are basically into learning like how to make money online. So that's that. You could go and learn about affiliate marketing. But you could go on YouTube and type in affiliate marketing, and there are going to be people that you're going to see that will teach you about affiliate marketing for free. So I can place a link in the description about affiliate marketing. I have like a free online, a free website that basically teaches you about affiliate marketing. Basically teaches you like how to make some money online. And I have paid for some online money making opportunities. There are thousands of money making opportunities out there, but affiliate marketing is basically you just gotta learn about it. So much to learn. People out there are teaching you how to make money and stuff online. Like I have been learning a lot. I just gotta gather some more money now to further my education, to really transform my my digital marketing career. I'm not that really far behind, you know. That when I say I'm not too far behind, I mean I have the knowledge to have the knowledge about certain things that I could get advanced in this online money marketing game. That I can make lots of money. But in this world, online making money online, they have newbies. They have people that's coming into the online marketing niche like every single day. So they have new online marketers that's trying to learn, and they have advanced. They got beginners, and they got medium, beginners, advanced, and people that have been learning digital marketing for a long time. The good thing about digital marketing is that you don't really need no certificates or no CXCs or no big long time degree. They have like high school dropouts that are basically in the world of digital marketing, and they just come into it and learn a lot, to learn from people that in the business, and they are making thousands of dollars online. Yes, it's not really that hard to learn. It's not really that hard. You just got to know where to look, where to go to get your training, and how to succeed. So if you want to go into digital marketing, it's good to learn from somebody that have been successful, and they will teach you what they know. It's good to model some person that's already in the game that is teach you, that know all about online marketing, know the ins and outs of online marketing, digital marketing, and you could actually become successful too. Because there's lots of people that online on YouTube that teach you about digital marketing for free. You just go and watch a video, see what the person do, and you could just copy from them. You could do the same thing too as well. It's all about copying what other successful marketers are doing. And plus they have like some Facebook groups too. They have some digital marketing courses that people have like digital marketing training, and somebody online marketing businesses, they have some Facebook groups. Like you could link up with you could join a Facebook group that have lots of like-minded people just like you, and you could just message them and they could like answer your questions, answer what other question, what any question you have about digital marketing, and they will answer you, and they might even recommend you that you watch their YouTube video. For YouTube training is they teach you on YouTube, they teach you on YouTube and stuff like that. So I have social media marketing. Talking about the buying yourself. What I learn about online marketing is that when you join the online opportunity, it's okay to have an online business, but if you don't have no traffic, meaning people that come into your business, you won't make no money online. So you gotta learn when you join the business. You gotta basically learn about traffic generation. It's all about. They say that the money is in the list too, right? You gotta learn about autoresponder. You gotta learn about Aweber. You gotta actually build a list too as well. Cause they say the money is in the list. You gotta learn so much about that. So they teach you about, as I said, digital marketing. So I have digital marketing courses. So I click here on this digital marketing. You see what they say tell me. So these are digital marketing courses inside of Udemy. So you come on Udemy.com and choose which product or service that you want to, which niche that you're interested in, whether it be weight loss, learning how to make money online, don't care about Google Ads, social media marketing, have Google Ads, YouTube marketing. So you can click here on YouTube marketing, and you can have a product, and you can just go on YouTube and you can promote that product, and then you can place a link in the description of your YouTube video, like I am basically going to do. Because I basically have a digital online store too as well, and I can place a link in the description for that. Over 10,000 products that you could check out for my digital online store. It's like the world's largest digital online store, so I can place that there in the description down below. And I can place lots of my links inside the description down below, like things that I have been learning about, online money making opportunities that I have joined. And you can have like an online business for life. Really and truly. I'm going to continue to make YouTube videos. I have not made a YouTube video in so long. This is my first time making a YouTube video in a long time. So as I said, Udemy.com, you come and learn like how to make learn so much to learn inside Udemy.com. YouTube Masterclass, YouTube Marketing 2021, YouTube SEO. Well, they teach you all this here about YouTube, but there's people here charging $13.99 to learn. So these prices here are so cheap. You can actually learn about YouTube, and if you want to learn about social media marketing, click on social media marketing. Check out these courses. Some of these courses here are cheap. They're inexpensive, so you can just come and learn about digital marketing for free. Not really for free, but some of these courses are cheap, like 17 social media marketing mastery, $13.99. All these videos here you can come and learn for free. You can paste my link in the description down below. Thank you for watching my video. Just said I did online digital marketing, studying it for over 5 years, and I believe I will be successful. I will not give up until I reach the top. That's good. It's good to learn about how to learn like self-development. I listen to like people like Les Brown, Jim Moore, Eric Thomas, and all those self-development. So thanks for watching my video. I'm going to place the link in the description down below. Thanks again.